true sport principle. We will strive for excellence, stay healthy in mind, body and spirit, and have fun.
Sila Tagalog pa nila yan. Naintindihan sana lahat.
May I call our referee, please? Our referee, our committee, and our officials to give flag for the official school. This is only the officials, okay? The players were not included in this list.
Kaya pa isa, boss. Mabasa ko para... Isa ka ba? Isa lang yung isa. At sinasabi dito na tinapyarin sa ipalasan. Ang tingin, kapityan, sa Indonesia, take a part in the...
Thank you so much for your leading. And now, may I call on the MVP last season, Ate Rona, for our torch lighting ceremony. Torch lighting.
Wala, bilisan mong takbo. Yung mamamatay yung...
Walang gas.
Sabihin, garang ko sa pinatay sa kanya. Dapat may buntot eh. Meron ba? Wala? Wala ito, meron. Ano lang buntot? Meron ba? Ayaw
Wala
pa.
na yung buntot ko. Kuha na niya yung buntot ko. Masakit na sa
Dapat
pilag
yung
eh.
dilaw, yung buntot.
Saan mo nilagay doon?
Tinago niyan.
Okay. The application last season, Ate Rona, for our torch lighting. These flags are volunteers, our energy purchasing dog, for the entire season.
Aliwa na ka.
Walang gas.
Maliit kasi yung ano, dapat malaki.
Maliit na gas.
Season na tayo, hindi pa ganun pa rin. Okay na yan. And now, because all your judges are here,
Dapat yung fluid ng lighter. Para matagal, hindi na basta namamatay.
Ito ano?
Yung fluid ng lighter, kahit gano'n malakas yung hangin.
Ha?
okay? Because after the official will be conducted after the program. Thank you so much to stay.
Wala pa judges ng mga music.
Wala. Walang gas dyan.
Wala, eh.